Whenever I am feeling a little off balance, I tell myself to go for a walk. Sometimes the walk is with family, and sometimes I walk alone. The walk can be brisk, other times it is a slow, leisurely paced walk. I allow myself to connect with nature, especially if I walk in the park, and it is healing. It is soothing to my spirit. I observe the colors. I observe the changes in the vegetation, beautiful hues of greens and whites and yellows. And I feel a lot more at peace. It is such a wonderment when you take yourself slowly outside and look at the beauty of this world. I thoroughly enjoy those walks, and they bring to me a sense of peace. I love going around where there are water bodies. Whenever I walk around a water body, a river, I allow myself to feel whatever emotion I am feeling and work on leaving some of that baggage, that stress, so that it's carried away from me by the wind or the flow of the stream or the leaves of trees surrounding me. Those walks are healing for sure. At least I find them healing. I also allow my imagination, my dreams to engulf me. I feel deeply inspired during those walks when I sit around by the side of a water body on a bench. I can think clearly. I can feel. I wish I can devise a way of capturing all those inspirational thoughts right away. The connection with nature frees me. I mend, I recover, I find a way out. I also like the element of exercising ever so gently. I have never had a gym membership. I have lived in places with clubhouses fully equipped with exercise equipment, but I have never been drawn to it. I am drawn to the outdoors. Sometimes I wish I had learned how to swim. Then maybe I would cool my thoughts in the river, swim with the fish and ducks. Maybe one day I will learn. The parks and trails, a quiet time for myself. The natural beauty has a way of calming the nerves, of bringing a sense of peace within. It is such a simple way of bringing peace onto your breaking spirit. All of a sudden, I get the sense of appreciation of nature. I get the sense of how lucky I am to be where I am, the good things that have come my way. I get to breathe deeply and say thank you to the Creator. The mountain views, the grandeur of nature is just felt so deeply when you are in the mountains. I just am in awe And I feel just a small piece, being a small piece of this universe when I'm up in the mountains. These moments when I am all by myself allow me to think clearly, to have inspiration, to have ideas, and I put them to paper. So whenever I feel stressed, under pressure, under the weather, or I simply want to lose myself in the peace and quiet, I take a walk and have conversation with nature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And I will catch up with you on the next video. Bye for now.